Yeah. That's good. By and hasty. I'm hasty. Look at this. Got the little belt here. Pull this carefully. Carefully like that, but that's you just put this right here. Show the P4 is. So well, okay, sorry, I'm not gonna put it, but anyway, yeah, it's like this game, but I don't have time for that. So anyway, so you got the fan here. That's that's how you get the whole system to work. And because without it, it won't start. Because without these, it won't start the PC. So which way it has some device. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at this. It says this device coupled with part everything rules of operation is subject to following two conditions. 1. This device may not cause harmful influence. 2. This device must accept any influence accuracy interference that may cause insurance operations. Okay, FCC parts 68. 68. Alright, so it's of course the TXC. And oh, look at this stuff. It's like a little microchip. It's like a little town. Of course, you got the two RAMs connected together. I'm gonna show you the RAM. What it looks like. Right. I'm gonna carefully unlock this thing. Careful. Alright, gotta be really careful pulling it out, cause if I pull out too hard, it's gonna break. Cause without the RAMs, it won't work. Alright, so I'm gonna carefully pull it, jiggle a little bit. That's alright. Get that jiggle. Just jiggle it. Oh, that's too risky too. Oh, so I tell you sometimes the guy said you got push in directly like this. Like that. Yeah. To put it back in. Sorry, let me try it again. And I'm trying to put this one out. I'm gonna carefully jiggle a little bit. There we go. Make sure there's no dust and anything on this RAM. Okay. Now this here is the RAM. This RAM 2. Right. It says don't pull, don't touch the pins, because it might something it can affect your skin. There we go. It's project. Well, say HYS 64D32300HU 5C. C3V 5233605. You can buy this, and that's right. Oh, and of course they got a barcode on here. Everything has one. So every barcode has one. And you can see. All right, sorry. You got these pins that you should never touch. Yeah, they're pretty sure. I know it's lights kind of. That's where they carry all the information and everything else straight to the furnace, perhaps. So anyway, so without these, it won't say information whatever you have on it on this RAM. But I'll tell you more when I look it up on these and whatnot. So I'm gonna now. Okay, now I'm gonna carefully put it back in. Alright, make sure sorry, got the wires in the way. If you don't put it back properly, it's good. I know, I was a little curious. I was excited and curious why I want to learn something I never done before. Because since I started taking classes, you know, I did have some health issues a little bit on and off, and like I have no idea like what's going. Sometimes I just need to start eating health, you know, make my stomach, or make my stomach problems, something like that. It's I know it's hard to push in. Oh, I don't want to push it too hard. Oh, hold on. I think I did it wrong. Oh, alright. Here we go. Good. Yeah. When you said like you gotta push it, you like that. I don't know what. I know. Sometimes I have problems, but what? I'm trying. Y'all just act like y'all don't. Some people can be so rude. I'm like, how rude, man? How very rude. Some people are so ungrateful. Yeah, you know people are good. Okay. Alright. Sorry. It's hard to keep the camera, keep the control still. I'm so. Hey, good. Am I supposed to? I'm supposed to give myself a cat. Oh no, wait. No. It's because you know when people talk like, what's going on? I'm trying. I'm not always in the grill. How rude. You are so naive. Mister, I'm so trying to be so cool. Ask me. Why are you here? Why you ask? Mister, wait a minute. Whoa, wait a minute. I got him the wrong way. That's why. See, it's how it's supposed to be going directly. Sometimes you. I don't know why I'm trying. I don't know why I'm saying this, but sometimes I think I don't know what's the point. I can find someone who can understand me. Like no one. You know what? Say. I say. Yeah, screw him off. Like, I'll give myself a pet. That person understand me. That doesn't hate me. That doesn't hate me. I mean, doesn't be rude or, you know, in an average way. Like, you know, some people just want to be, want to be, you know, fresh, straight, you know, fresh, cool. Oh, okay. Well, you get the idea. That's, we know we have going on everyday lives, but hopefully, okay. Well, sometimes I like to be. Sometimes I rather play all by myself. Because I like being myself and alone, and of course I'm gonna. I just want to do my own thing. Okay, you got friends. That's here before you, but what's the point? Yeah, it was their fault because it's their fault because I'm here. It's their fault because they're jealous. Because I'm new, and people are new. got new people. I don't know people. Sometimes you can't just disrespect them, treat them badly. Yeah, man, because the world needs the world needs new people to do greater at the other person. And the people that doesn't know, you gotta teach them. And they, new people, like yeah, especially new people. The new people are new to this to these things, especially when they're born, are new to the world, and you don't know. Teach them. Don't just leave them unwanted or alienated. Like sometimes I know I feel the same way, you know. Because that's why. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that. Okay, we're all the same. You know, I've been there. You know, sometimes I'm coming my way trying to be. You know. You know. You got ungrateful, pitiful, useless. No thanks. Oh, sure. Well, I'll eat it. But I decided to eat it. You know. Thanks, Dad. But God knows. I got people walking around just trying to have, trying to do everything, try to have a good life. But sometimes it's not easy in this world. You know, sometimes you gotta go to school, learn some new stuff. I know, dang. Let's see what. It's still blinking. Wonder why. Yeah, it's been going on for months. Yeah, it's been going for years and years. Actually, a year. Maybe it had to do with this power supply. But no, I cannot repair this thing. Because if I did, of course, it's gonna come in the electrical shock. It is really dangerous. Okay, because when you do this type of when you try to do this type of machine, of course, it's gonna. Okay, when you do it with a PC, it's gonna cost. I didn't turn it on, right? This one is blinking. Mashing. Yeah, I can pull up this. Yeah, this thing is pretty old. We need to learn how to get this thing piece. Well, at least we cleaned the PC. I'm just gonna leave it. Just leave this PC for a while. Let it set for a little bit. Right here. Good here. I'll turn around. Yeah, but it's upside down. Let me see. I'll turn it on. Yeah, so this whole thing is the motherboard. It might take apart a little bit, and then we'll show you how the motherboard works. Okay. But the rest is like connect to